Yes, sir.
Hi, hello po. I am Inventor Derek Tan. I'm the President CEO of Magna Prime Chemical Technologies Incorporated. We are the manufacturer of Sinclair Paints, the new generation paint, and Beardrite Construction Chemicals.
Okay, Sir Derek, napaka-inspiring po nung yung kaninang speech at how you started at lalo na yung you emphasize your respect to your partner. Sino po uli yung partner niyo, sir, para we could also acknowledge him here?
My partner here at Magna Dos is si Rod Chua dito sa company namin here in Santa Ana, Manila. This will serve as the main distribution center for the Metro Manila distribution area.
Sir, about inspiring younger people and entrepreneurs, kasi I believe you're also still very young
Yes.
with all of your achievements. What can you tell about people, lalo na yung mga nauuso kasi yung mga, di ba, yung mga parang instant millionaires in the business, nagmamadali, and you mentioned earlier, yung kumbaga, parang ano nga natin, no? Parang fast slow, di ba?
Yes, para sa mga aspiring business people, you have to understand first what's your primary purpose in doing business, no? So most of the time, people fail because they don't understand what's their purpose, no? Purpose comes from the heart, di ba? And your dreams comes from the mind. So what your heart is, yun yung isipin ng isip natin tama? So dapat malinaw kung ano purpose natin. And doing business is not really about money. It's not a financial issue, but rather business is really a heart issue. All right? So when I say heart issue, it means when you're doing business, hindi priority ang pera. Ang priority mo muna is how can you help solve other people's problem. That's your primary purpose. Your secondary purpose is only profit. So imagine mo, if you're going to help some people sa business mo, are they going to buy your services or products? Obviously, yes. Tama po ba? Then, doon ka po kikita.
Okay. Sir, actually, another lesson na we really learned from you is to pick probably a best partner in business. Ang hirap po yata, no? So, what's your tip or suggestion, lalo na sa itong mga nagnenegosyo?
Well, finding a partner, so sa papel lang kasi nakalagay 50-50 ba kayo, 60-30, 70-30, but more than the paper, what is important is yung values, yung honoring mo sa partner mo. Dapat meron tayong be mindful sa kanila. So, kaya sa amin, dito sa partnership namin sa Central Hub, ang partnership po namin, sabi ko kahit 50-50 kami, ay 100% kanya. Dahil ang mindset ko lagi, nakakahiya, mapahiya sa aking partner. Kaya, we should be selfless, we should be unselfish, and most importantly, be mindful of your partner for your business to be successful with your partners.
And lastly, Sir Derek, kasi you mentioned earlier the appreciation of painting, lalo na bringing colors into art, and you mentioned your last in your last slide about your collaboration with artists. And ngayon po kasi people are talking about creative industry and destinations, and art is really vital. Why do you think that as a company now into construction and painting, you are now emphasizing arts?
That's a good question, no? So, like I said, you go back to our purpose. What's your purpose? What's your core? What's our value? What's our meaning in the industry? If we're not able to help the industry, then bakit pa kami nagnenegosyo? Kung pera-pera lang, maybe it's time for me to retire. So we try to find meaning and purpose on what we're doing. So in our case, for Decorative Paints and Macau, our vision, our purpose is to help the visual artists to find opportunities for another livelihood, to connect them with the architects, the movers ng industry, the contractors, the interior designers, the engineers, the homeowners, para magkaroon ng art sa bahay nila.
Tama ba, sir? Correct me if I'm wrong or in this information. Kasi you have your factory based in Santa Maria, Bulacan.
Yes, sir.
So, is the company started in Bulacan? Are you a Bulaqueño as well?
Oh, that's a good question, no? Our company first started 24 years back. From a humble beginning, sa bahay lang namin, nalipat kami sa Mandaluyong, nalipat kami sa Santa Ana, nalipat kami sa Valenzuela, until nalipat kami sa Santa Maria, Bulacan. So sabi ko nga kanina sa inyo, no, pag nakita mo ako, I look very gentle and I look very calm. Pero para akong pato sa ilalim padyak ng padyak. Ganyan po talaga mga negosyante. Always on the go. Mapapagod po tayo kapag pera-pera lang. Pero hindi ka mapapagod kapag malinaw ang puso po natin.
Okay. So in short po ba yung Bulacan po ba as a special location, or it was a strategy for the location?
Well, it's a strategy as well because if I choose Bulacan or Laguna or Cavite, I think Bulacan is a lot nearer sa metro hub area. So that's why we pick Bulacan para mas malapit po ang distribution area namin.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.